This is a 3-pack of super cute dog resin Halloween decorations. I was sent a review, so let me show you a closer look. You've got your little ghost dachshund, skeleton dachshund, oh my gosh, and mummy dachshund. Oh my gosh. These are the cutest little Halloween decorations ever. Oh my gosh. If you have a dog lover, especially a dachshund lover, but honestly any dog lover who also loves Halloween, this is perfection. They are small, so they're not gonna be like an overwhelming decoration. You can just put them on your desktop, on your entryway table. They don't take up much space, but they just are gonna add such a fun, adorable Halloween vibe. It's a really nice heavy duty smooth feel, like a painted resin kind of thing. Not fragile feeling, really nicely made. Great attention to detail. I'm just really blown away here. Each one is just under 6 inches long. The ghost is white, carrying a pumpkin. This skeleton is holding a skeleton trick-or-treating pail, like so adorable. Oh my gosh. Every little detail. The faces are really cute too. And the feet are out. And then this one, the trick-or-treat pail says boo. Just adorable. Oh my gosh. He's even got his tail wrapped. I am obsessed with these, and I know you will be too.